Hi, good day to all. Myself, Miss Arpita, Faculty of Button Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, in the last session, we have discussed what is meant by mental ability and what are the types in it and how the question will be arising in it. And then we have learned the first chapter for your syllabus, that is Odd Man Out. Okay, we'll start with today's session. Before starting this today's session, let me recall what we did in the last session. See, we have learned what is meant by mental ability test. What is this mental ability? See, mental ability is a non-verbal test. Non-verbal nothing but which is based on only figures and diagrams. So for in the exams you are writing, they will give the sentences or the words you will be writing in the sentences itself, right? But now mental ability is nothing but it is different. It is no writing, nothing. It based on only figures and diagram. You have to look at the figure carefully, then answer. Before going that what you have to do, you have to read the direction once. I'll repeat again. See, mental ability is a non-verbal test which is based on figures and diagrams only. Non-verbal is nothing but which consists of only diagram. Verbal is nothing but which consists of sentences, words and all. Okay, see why this session is given to you? It given to you to check the intelligence of the students. Okay. Mental ability is a non-verbal test. It is based on only figures and diagrams. Why this session is given to check your intelligence. Next, we have learned the first chapter for your syllabus is Introduction to Odd Man Out. Okay, the first chapter for your syllabus, that is Odd Man Out. How to find out here it is the which chapter on which how the question will be coming. They will give the 4 diagrams. In that 3 will be sharing the common features or a characteristics. One will be not sharing. So what you have to do, you have to pick out which does not belongs to the group. Keep in mind, you have to take out which does not belong to the group. They will give the 4 figures. In that 3 will be sharing common features or characters. One will be not sharing. So what you people want to do, you people want to take out which does not exist to the group. That is your odd man out. The process of evaluating the groups into class is called as classification, and that is meant by odd man out. Okay, under that you have learned the methods of solving. What are the methods to be followed while solving the question answers based on odd man out chapter? There are 5 methods. What are they? Check the structure of figures and elements, and then check the distribution of elements, check the increasing or decreasing of elements, and then check the rotation of elements. Rotation is nothing but there are 2 types of rotation. First one is clockwise rotation and the second one is anti-clockwise rotation. And the fifth one is check the position and placement of the elements. These are the 5 methods should be followed while solving the question answers based on mental ability, that is the odd man out chapter. Okay, I'll repeat again. In the last session we have discussed what is meant by mental ability, and I have given introduction to the first chapter, that is odd man out, and we have studied the methods of solving. There are 5 methods to be followed while solving the question answers based on mental ability chapter. The first one is check the structure of figures and elements. Second one is check the distribution of elements. Third one is check the increasing or decreasing of elements. And the fourth one is check the rotation of elements. In rotation there are 2 types, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. The fifth one is check the position and placement of the elements. And later we have learned the conversion of classification is nothing but on what basis the question will be arising. Okay, see conversion, under that we have learned the 3 types, that is based on size, based on sides and based on position. These are the 3 types on what basis the question will be arising in the first chapter, that is odd man out. You see, this and all we discussed in the last session itself, isn't it? I hope you all understood what this what is concepts. Any doubts in this? If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask it. Okay, clear your doubts. Okay, now we'll move on to today's session. Okay, today's session will, in a previous session we have learned the conversion up to 3 types, that is based on size, based on size and based on position. Let us start with the fourth type. In this session we'll start with the fourth type, that is on what basis the question will be arising. The fourth type is based on magnitude of lines. Let us see what is this based on magnitude of lines. See, in this type, 3 figure follow a certain pattern in respect to lines. Fourth one is different. See, magnitude is nothing but it is all based on lines. Okay, it is all based on lines. Here also, as I said in the last three types, three will follow a same certain pattern and one will be different. You have to pick out one which does not belongs to the group. Three will share a common features or a character and one will not share. So what you have to do, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Keep in mind, odd man is nothing but which does not belongs to the group. Now we'll come back. Based on magnitude of lines, here also 3 figures follow a certain pattern with respect to lines. Okay, here magnitude is nothing but lines. Let us see now. See, come to the option 1. Okay, count the figure of lines. See, option 1. See, count the figure of lines. See, there are two designs, that is inner design and outer design. Can you see that? There are two types of design. The small one will call it as the inner design and the out one design will call it as the outer design. Okay. See this one. Okay. See, this one will call it as a outer design and then this one will call it as a inner design. In all the figures also there are two designs, that is inner design as well as the outer design. Now we'll come to the concept based on magnitude of lines. What is this magnitude? As I said, magnitude is nothing but all depends on lines. Now I'll analyze this. Come to the first figure. Take down your book. See here, first figure, count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, inner design is having 6 designs. Okay, and then come to the, outer design is having 6. Okay, 6 sides, 6 lines, and come here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, inner design is having 4 design. Write it. Inner design is having 4 sides and then outer design is having 6. Now come to the figure number 2. Look here, it is having outer design 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and then the inner design 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is having 3. Outer design 4, inner design 3. Now come to the option 3 now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outer design 5, inner design 1, 2, 3, 4. Inner design 4, outer design 5. Now come to the option 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many it is? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outer design 6. But inner design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, fourth one is 6. The outer design is 6 and the inner design is 5. Now let us compare. See, in option 2, option 3, option 4, outer design. Okay, except first figure, all the figure inner design as less side than outer design, isn't it? See, the second figure, it has outer design as 4 and the inner design it has only 3. 1 outer design less 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. And come to the figure 3. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outer design it is 5 and the inner design it is 4, less than the inner outer design, that is 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now come to the option 3. It is 6. Outer design is 6 and the inner design is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. In option 2, option 3, option 4, it is having inner design minus 1, that is less than 1. Okay, but in option 1 it is different. Okay, now let us conclude. Except figure 1, all other figures inner design as less one side outer than outer design, while figure 1 inner design 3 less sides than the outer. Figure 1 is different, but all others are inner design when compared to inner design, and outer design is less than 1. That's all. This is how you have to solve the question answers based on magnitude of the lines. I'll repeat again. The fourth type for your syllabus is, to solve the first chapter is based on magnitude of lines. How to solve this? Here also, three will be having the same certain pattern and one will be different. So what you have to do, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Now compare with each and every option. Okay, first figure, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then the inner design, there are in all the four figures there are two design. The small figures inside will call it as inner design, the outside figures will call it as a outer figure. Okay, and then in the inner design, the first figure, the outer design, this consists of 7 sides, but it is in the what is that, the inner design, it is only 4. And come to the option 2, the outer design, it is consists of 4 and then 3, and then option 3, it is having 5 and then 4, all in except one, option 2, option 3, option 4, outer design and inner design, that is less than 1. Compared to outer design, it is less than 1, but not in option A. Option A is different. So what is the correct option? Option 1 is the correct answer. This is how you have to answer the question answers based on magnitude of lines. This is fourth type. That's it. You should count the number of lines. Okay, now we'll move on to the next type. Type 5, based on different elements. Let us see how this to solve the question answers based on different elements. See, in this type, 3 designs are same and the number of designs, fourth one is different. Here also 3 will be same and the number of designs also will be same. Candidates are to required to choose the different sign. See, candidate is nothing but, don't confuse the people who are going to appear for the exam, that is students. Okay, candidate is nothing but the student. See how the question will be arising. Here also they give the 3 4 figures. In the 3 will be having the same figures and the number of designs. Okay, the number of designs and the what is this, 3 designs will be same and the number of designs will be also same, but one will be different, that is fourth one will be different. The candidates as to require choose the different sign. Let us solve now. See, this is your question. Let us analyze it. We'll solve it. Come to the option 1. See, while solving the question answers based on odd man odd chapter, please go through each and every options. Okay, if you tick the direct correct answer, no use. Okay, go through each and every option, right, give reasoning, start with the reasoning and then choose the correct answer. Now we'll start with the first option. See, it is about all your signs. Different elements is nothing but it is based on sides. In figure number 2, okay, 1 2 3, 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. Can you see here? See, 1 2 3, 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. Figure 1, it is having 3 addition symbol and 2 multiplication symbol. And come to option 2, it is also 1 2 3, 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. And come to option 3, see here also 1 2 3, 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. Can you see here? Yes. And come to option 4, 1 2 3. See, but in option 4 it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 additional symbol. So it is very easy. What is the correct option? See, in option 1, in option 2, in option 3, it is having 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol, but in option 4 it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 addition symbol. So what you have to do, As I said here, three design will be same. See, three design will all same, and the number of designs is also same. In figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, it is having plus 3 signs and then 2 multiplication sign. But in the fourth one, it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 additional symbols. So what is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct answer. All the figures have 2 elements plus and then multiplication, except figure 4. All others have 3 plus and then 2 multiplication, except option 4, option 1, option 2, option 3. It is having 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. But option 4 is having 3 multiplication and 2 addition, while figure 4 is at 2 plus and then 3 into design. So what is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct answer. It is very easy, but you have to look at the figure carefully. I'll explain it once again. See, the fifth type to solve your odd man out chapter is based on different elements. Is nothing but they will give the 4 figures. In that 3 will be having the same figure and the same number of figures. Okay, same figure and then same number of figures, and one will be different. Okay, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Now look at the question. Figure 1, it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. Come to the figure 2, it is also having 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. In option 3, it is also having 3 addition symbol and then 2 multiplication symbol. But in the fourth one, it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 additional symbol. When compared to option 1, 2, 3, the fourth one is different because it is having 3 multiplication symbol and then 2 additional symbol. But option 1, 2, 3, it is having 3 addition and then 2 multiplication symbol. This is how you have to solve the question answers based on different elements. You have to count the number of elements. Okay, that's all. It is very easy. I hope you all clear with the type 5, that is based on different elements. Now we'll move on to the next one. See, the sixth type is based on rotation. The sixth type is to solve the odd man out chapter is based on rotation. See, as I said, in the rotation there are 2 types. That is, first one is clockwise direction and the second one is anti-clockwise direction. Let us see now how to solve this. In this type, out of 4 figures, 3 will rotate in a certain pattern. Here also, out of 4 figure, 3 will be moving in a same direction, that is rotate in the same direction, while another one is different. See, what are the 2 types of rotation? The first one is clockwise rotation and the second one is anti-clockwise rotation. With respect to clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, candidates are required to find out the odd man out. As I said, no, here also they will give the 4 figures. Okay, the figures will be based on the rotation. In rotation, there are 2 types, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here 3 will be having the same manner whether they rotate in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. What you have to do, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. See, look at your options. Okay, see, go with option 1. It is moving clockwise. This is clockwise. Okay, clockwise. This is moving, option 1, it is moving in the clockwise direction. And come to the option 2, it is also moving in the clockwise direction. Look at the arrow, okay, where the arrow ends and start. Can you see here? It is also moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Come to the option 3 now. It is also moving in the clockwise direction. See to the arrow head, okay, and then but option 4, it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise this side, anti-clockwise the reverse of that. That's all. Now, so what is the correct option? Except figure 4, all other outer arrows. See, look at the arrow, outer arrow, rotate 180 degree anti-clockwise. See, 180 degree is anti-clockwise. The inner design rotates 90 degree, that is clockwise. Okay, 90 degree we'll call it as clockwise, 180 degree we'll call it as anti-clockwise. See, again I'll tell you should look at the arrow. Okay, arrow design. See, the first one is it is moving in the clockwise direction. Look at the arrow. It is moving in the clockwise direction. Come to the option 2. Look at the arrow. It is also moving in the clockwise direction. And then third one, it is also moving in the clockwise direction. But fourth one is it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means starts from 12 and moving like this. Anti-clockwise means reverse of that. So what is the correct option here? Option 4 is the correct answer, because it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. In option 1, option 2, option 3, they are moving in the clockwise direction, but option 4, it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. This is about your based on rotation. I'll repeat once. See, the sixth type to solve the question answers based on odd man out chapter is based on rotation. In rotation, there are two types, that is clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Here also they will give the 4 figures. In that, say 3 will be rotating in the same direction. It is based on rotation, so it will be rotating on the same direction, whether in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you people have to find out which is moving in the anti-clockwise or in the reverse direction. 3 will be following the same, but 1 will be different. You have to take out odd man out. Now come to the option. See, the first one is it is moving in the clockwise direction. You should look at the arrow. Okay, you should look at the arrow and then consider. Okay, it is moving in the clockwise direction. The inner design also, and then look at the arrow and the inner design. It is second figure, it is also moving in the clockwise direction. And then the third one also, it is moving in the clockwise direction. The fourth one is anti-clockwise direction. See, clockwise means starts from 12 and keep on rotating. Anti-clockwise means reverse of that. Clockwise means it is 90 degree, anti-clockwise means it is 180 degree. I hope you all understood with the type number 6, that is based on rotation. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is based on method of writing. See, the last type is based on method of writing. How to solve this? Let us see now. See, in this type, the characteristics of the figures related in a same manner. Here also they will give the 4 figures. In that, 3 will be in the same manner, okay, of writing. Okay, raise up ants and raise down ants. Okay, 3 will be in the same manner, that is based on raise up ants and raise down only in the ants movement. And while fourth one is different. Let us see how to solve this. Okay, see, now take your book and start writing C. For writing C, we should raise up the ants. No, see, for raising C, I should not raise up my ants. And T, obviously, T, to put that head, okay, line over there, I should raise up my ants, isn't it? See, this is my book, okay. See, I can write directly, isn't it? See, I can write directly. And then to write the T, I should raise my hand. See, I should raise my this hand. I should raise here, isn't it? T. But Z also I can write easily without raising hands. Even N also written without raising my hands. But T, for writing T, I should raise my hands. Except figures 2, all figures can written without lifting pen up, isn't it? See, C and then T, I should lift my pen up, and Z also within a fraction of a second, and N without CZN without lifting my pen up, I can write those. But while we can't write figure 2, that is T, without raising up the pen. This is how you have to answer. This is the how the question will be asked based on method of writing. You have to look at the hands movement, that is raise up and raise down. See, I'll explain it once. The last type is how to solve the odd man out on what basis is nothing but based on method of writing is nothing but in this type the characters of 3 figures. Okay, the characters, it is only based on characters. What is meant by characters? All alphabets, we'll call it as a characters. Okay, Here they will give the four figures. In that, three will be having the same manner, is nothing but which manner, hands up and hands down. In this you have to particularly concentrate on hands movement. Okay, three will be having the same hands movement while another one is different. So what you have to do, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Now come to the option 1, write C. C, when writing the C, I will not lift my pen itself, and I can write easily, and Z also, and also, but while writing the T, I should lift my pen up. This is how you have to answer. What is the reason for that? Option A, option 3, option 4, we can write those characters without lifting my pen up, okay, but option 2, it is used by writing pen, lifting up my pen. See, last concept, it is based on only hands movement, that is raising up and raising down the answer. So what is the conclusion for this question? Option 2, except figure 2, all others can be written without lifting pen up. Why we can't write the figure 2, that is option 2, without raising the pen up, that is letter T. This is how you have to solve the question answers based on odd man out chapter. Okay, now with this I'll end my the chapter ends, the odd man chapter ends. If you have any doubts, you can clear your doubts, or you can message to the Button But Tutorials app, and if you missed any session, please click on the link given below. Okay, now before let me revise once what we have studied in this chapter. Okay, let me revise firstly what we have done in this chapter. Okay, first we have learned the first chapter for your syllabus is odd man out. Before going that, we have learned mental ability. Okay, that is a small revision. Okay, what is meant by mental ability? A mental ability is a non-verbal test. Non-verbal is nothing but which is based on only figures and diagrams. So for in the exams you are writing, they will give the sentences, you are writing the answers in the word sentence. But your mental ability is only based on figures and diagrams. You should look carefully for the figures and then you should start answering. See, here it is your IQ is main important. They'll give this session is only to check your IQ level. Okay, mental ability is a non-verbal test. Okay, why it is given to you? It is given to check your IQ level. Under that, we have learned the first chapter for your syllabus, that is odd man out. What is this odd man out? They will give the four figures. In that, three will be having the common features or a characters, and one will be not sharing. So what you have to do? You have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Keep in mind, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. To solve this odd man out, some methods. Okay, some methods we have learned. We have learned the 5 methods. What are they? To check the structure of figures and elements, to check the distribution of elements, to check whether the increasing or decreasing elements, and to check the rotation of elements. Under rotation we have 2 types, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise, and the last one is to check the methods and position of the elements. These are the methods to be followed while solving the question answers based on odd man out chapter. Ma'am, on what basis the question will be arising? We don't know on what basis. So you have learned the some 7 types on what basis the question will be arising. The first type is based on size. The second one is based on sides, and the third one is based on magnitude of lines. The fourth one is based on different elements. The fifth one is based on position. Sixth one is based on rotation. Under rotation there are 2 types, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means it is moving in 90 degree. Anti-clockwise means it is moving opposite to that 180 degree. And the last one is the method of writing. It is based on only characters. Characters is nothing but which is consists of only alphabets. Okay, here you have to look at the ants movement. This is about your first chapter, that is odd man out. If you have any doubts, please clear your doubts and text to this number. Okay, and then if you miss any session, please click on the link given below. In the next session, we'll solve the question answers based on odd man out chapter. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.